Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this particular video and leave a comment so that anytime I upload any video you get a notification. In today's tutorial, I'd like to show you how I created this amazing church flyer in Photoshop. So make sure you follow me step by step to get everything right. In the first place, let's go ahead and create a new document. So we click on File, we click on New. The rate for this particular flyer is 1080 pixels, while the resolution, the height lies at 1080 and resolution 300 pixels. Then we click on Create. So now let's click here to create our background to unlock it. So we click on FX and then choose a gradient overlay. So with the gradient overlay, the color code on the left side is FACC22, and then the color code on the right side happens to be FF0A0A. And we click on OK. If at all you want to follow this tutorial, I'll be placing a link in the description to download the resource so you can follow the tutorial. So I'll place my first resource, click on File, click on Place. Alright, so I have my first resource here. So with this, I'll have to resize it so that it will fit the actual design, actual document. And now let's go to the FX and then choose, sorry, let's go to the blending options here and choose an overlay for it. And let's make sure the opacity is around 45%. So now let's go ahead and place our next resource. So we click on File and click on Place. So I have my next resource here. And with this, we will choose a soft light for it. We go to blending options and choose a soft light for it. And now let's click on New Layer. Now choose our paint bucket tool, and with this color being selected, the color code is 462823, and we click OK. Now we paint on it. So let me actually go and copy the color code for this one so that we can get everything correct. Alright, so the color code is 1F0701. So the color code is 1F0701. Then we click on our eraser tool. Let's make sure a soft round brush is being selected over here. And now we can comfortably erase our document like this. Alright, so we should be having something like this. Now let's go ahead and then click on our shape tools and choose an ellipse tool and draw a nice ellipse. Make sure you press on shift to get a nice ellipse. And now let's choose a gradient overlay for this. So let's choose this gradient color. Now let's go to filter and choose blur, Gaussian blur. Rasterize it. So right now we are done with this, so we can actually place this here. Now let's go ahead and place the resource of the pasta. So place link. I have it here, then I'll click on Place. Now let me actually resize this. And now the next thing I'll have to do is to click on Add Layer Mask. And then let's go to where our paint bucket tool is located and click on it and choose a gradient map. And with the gradient map, make sure you click on it and click on the basis and choose the transparent gradient, and make sure this color is set on black like this, and click on OK. So now we actually stand here, then we click, Ctrl Z. Alright, so we click to get something like this. So now let's actually align the image in the middle. So Ctrl A to select everything, and then choose the center alignment over here. As you can see, it's already in the middle. As a graphic designer, you have to check your alignment well. So let's actually duplicate this. Ctrl J to duplicate this. So Ctrl Z, deselect. And now let's choose our type 2. I have another resource I would like to place, so go to file and go to place link. And now my next resource is somewhere here. Guys, if at all you are loving this tutorial, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel so YouTube can recommend my video to other graphic designers out there. So now let's choose a blending option for this. So we actually choose an overlay. Let's choose an overlay for this. Let's choose an overlay for this. So now we will have to select our type 2. Let's select our type 2. And choose a white color for this. Let's make sure this is actually on top of all the layers. Ctrl A to select and type in prayer. Prayer night. Alright, so with this one, let's actually increase the font size around 47. And with the 9 to let's increase the size around 53. Will be okay. Now let's go to this particular area and open the font like this. Now let's actually press Ctrl A to align in the middle. Ctrl D to select. Now let's type in our 2025 here. 2025. And let's place it here, and actually increase the size for the 2025 as well. Alright, so we'll be having something like this, guys. As you can see, let's actually erase this part of the design. So we choose our eraser tool and then erase this part. Alright, so now you have to increase the font size again of the 9th, so around 55, and let's see, 55 is actually okay. So now we can comfortably shift our 2025 here like this. And now with the text, the name of the font is MTN Brighter Sans. MTN Brighter Sans. So with the text, we can actually copy the text so that this tutorial can be a bit fast. So I'll copy this text and place it here. That is the church auditorium. Alright, then paste this one here. So if actually you want to copy the gradient for this particular text, it's here. Let me read the gradient color for you. Alright, the gradient color, the color code on the first one, it has to be A75E1B. Actually, if actually you want this, let me see in the comment section, so I will send it directly to you. The gradient, and I have a lot of gradients I've created. So now let's copy this. Let's copy this shape. And I'll paste this here. I want this tutorial to be very brief. I know the background is the most essential part of this design. And now you have to save this one here and copy the text of the church, the name of the church as well, and then paste it here, as well as with the church logo. With the church logo, so let's paste the church logo here. Guys, thank you for watching this video. As you can see, we successfully created this. See you in the next video.